For months, I was dealing with this constant tingling and numbness in my hands and feet that was really affecting my daily life. So, simple tasks like typing or even buttoning my shirt became challenging. After months of searching for an effective and natural solution, I discovered vital nerve relief. What really impressed me right away was just how simple it is to take it. Just one capsule per serving and not a handful of pills like other supplements that I'd tried. And within the first month of consistently taking Vital Nerve Relief, I started noticing real improvements in my nerve comfort. For example, my hands, they feel more steady and the numbness has faded. This is all thanks to their strong proprietary formula that includes key ingredients for nerve health, like magnesium glycinate and alpha lipoic acid. Now my nerves, they feel like they were actually being nourished and repaired from the inside out. Vital Nerve Relief transformed my life. I can now do daily tasks without that discomfort or pain. It's truly amazing how much easier it is to get through each day when your nerves aren't constantly acting up. And I feel more confident about my long term nerve health now than I have in years.